you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, I am sharing with you my holiday haul. This is some items that I bought during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and some hauls in between. First, we'll start off with ColourPop. I picked up the Bare Necessities and brush set. I was really excited for this ginormous palette. Did I need this palette? No, but it is just a gorgeous neutral palette. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. I just thought that this palette was a must need. Well, it really wasn't a must need because I have 1,000 neutral palettes. I feel like this palette offers a nice variety. You get 30 shades and ColourPop's quality is on point. I've only tried like one of ColourPop's brushes, and it's like a shadow brush that I got when I first started launching their brushes, but I haven't tried like a whole set. You can just buy this and that's all you need. These brushes feel so nice and soft. I don't really need more brushes in my collection, but I really wanted a ColourPop kit just to try out. I haven't tried anything from their sister brand, 4th Grade Beauty, but they came out with a hyaluronic line. This is the Hydra Duo. You get a gentle tonic toner as well as a hyaluronic acid serum. Hyaluronic acid is supposed to be really good for hydration, and it says that this is a skin quenching duo that instantly drenches skin with hydration, immediately delivering replenishing and plumping benefits for a more bouncy, youthful looking complexion. And I mentioned in a few of my videos that my face is struggling to retain moisture, especially with the colder weather. So that's partially why I did splurge on trying these products. This is also a hyaluronic hydrating mask. So I really have high hopes for the 4th Grade Beauty line. This is my first time trying it. These products will be a good gauge if I decide to keep purchasing and trying new products from 4th Grade Beauty. I also picked up the Pretty Fresh concealer. I do have the tinted moisturizer, which I still haven't used yet, but this is what the concealer looks like. And I picked up the shade Medium 105N. I really like how you can shade match on ColourPop without having to swatch it in stores, because it asks what is your skin tone, what undertone do you have, and then it gives you a couple options based off of that. I tend to go for the darker medium tone that it gave me. I think it gave me 105, maybe 100 or 103. And then I don't have any bronzers by ColourPop, so I picked up from their Going Coconuts line pressed bronzer. This is the shade Coconut Beach. This is what it looks like. The other one, based off the image on the website, looked maybe too orange or red for me, so I went with this one, and I'm afraid it might be a little too light, or it might be just perfect, so I hope it's able to build up a little bit. I picked up some stuff from Ulta, completely impulsive things that I know I don't need. I don't know why I was like, yeah, let me just get it. Maybe it was just because it was on sale or what, but I know I didn't need all of this. But a product that I did need is this Living Proof Instant Defizzer. I have tried this before and I really do enjoy it. It weighs my hair down a little bit and it causes buildup. I can look past that because I love how this does defrizz my hair. I have poofy hair. That's why it's up in a ponytail right now, because it doesn't want to cooperate. I was really hoping the detangler was going to be on sale because that's my all-time favorite detangler. It was on sale last year on Black Friday, but it wasn't, so I'll take what I could get. I picked up this Hask Coconut Oil Detangle and Nourishing 5-in-1 leave-in spray. I go through leave-in spray so fast. I normally use leave-in conditioner after I get out of the shower, but like the next morning and like the couple days I don't wash my hair, just to brush my hair in the mornings, I like to use a detangler, and this was like maybe $3. I just needed another one. I haven't used much from the brand Hask. We'll see how it goes. I'm currently using the one by the brand AG Coconut Detangler. I don't like that. It is way too heavy for my hair. My hair greases up really fast with it. I'm just trying to use it up so it doesn't go to waste, and then just implement this in my routine. I got this highlighter by the brand Nabla. Nabla likes to sell out fast on Ulta's website. I have 2 palettes. I still haven't used them yet. This was definitely an impulse buy. I really wanted the gold shade, and the fact that peach highlighters just haven't been enough for me. I don't know if it's going to work out for me necessarily, but I do want to swatch it and see. Oh wow, that might be really pink instead. That's what it looks like. All right. Oh wait, yeah, that might be way too pink for my cheekbones. Yeah, I might not like that actually. Poop, because I really wanted the gold. I think the gold shade was called Champagne, but it's sold out. I went to go put it in my cart and then I hit checked out and it said, sorry, one of your items is no longer available. And then I bought a Smith & Colt palette. I've only tried their foundation and I actually liked it. I have a nail polish by them. haven't used it yet. But I thought that this color story was gorgeous, mainly for that purple shade. It was a totally impulsive buy. They had another palette on sale that I had both of them in my cart, and I was like, no, let me just get one because I don't know the quality. But let me do a couple swatches. And that's them swatched. The purple shade is a little concerning that it might be a little patchy, but I can't wait to test it out on the eyes. They don't have names, but this shade is gorgeous. I got the Persona Identity 2 eyeshadow palette. I have not tried Persona yet. I really like the color story, mainly these two shimmers. Ooh, those are creamy. Oh wow, that black. Wow, I love that. Look at those swatches. That is totally Slytherin green right there. I also picked up the Ardell All the Wispies False Lash set. This is my first time buying false lashes. I thought this was a very nice variety kit, and I can't wait to try the brand Ardell. It's a $70 value, and I believe that this was only about like $25, $30. So I figured with that many lashes at that price was a very good deal. I haven't tried anything by the brand Kiko, but they had some products on sale. This is a blush. I love this packaging. This blue is gorgeous and it just feels luxurious. And it's a baked blush, which I love. Oh, that's a pretty shade. I like my peach blushes, but highlighters not as much. I hope it wears nice on the cheeks. I got a bronzer as well. I was just very intrigued by the brand. This looks like a nice bronzing shade. I hope it's not too light, but if it is, I hope that it can build up. Oh yeah, that might be a little light, but it is gorgeous. Maybe it can be built up. I hope it can. Maybe it'll be a nice winter bronzer. I got the Bare Minerals Bare Glow On The Go Trio. I thought this was a nice set, and you got a bronzer, blush, and highlighter. Ooh, those are pretty. This was definitely an impulse buy. I know I didn't need all these face products, but I kind of just got sucked into the Black Friday sale. And that's what the three shades look like. I love that highlighter shade so much. A little mad that I got it, but not mad at the payoff. And then I got the Bare Minerals Rosy Days Duo. I thought that this shade was just so pretty in a blush and lipstick form. Oh yes. I love that so much. That is like my ideal blush shade right here. And that liquid lipstick formula, oh, so good. I have such a love-hate relationship with Bare Minerals. Like, I like these kinds of products. I just don't like their foundation or their eyeshadows. I know I didn't need it. I mainly wanted it for the liquid lipstick. And then the last product from Ulta is the I Heart Revolution donut tray. I thought this was the cutest thing ever. So you get 6 donuts, you get some sponges in here, and that's what the sponges look like. I'm not gonna get much use out of it, so I might just set it aside for a giveaway. Ooh, oh my gosh, that's a highlighter. It is beaming. Love that so much. Just like a glazed donut. Oh wow, we got a bronzer too. And then we have a little eyeshadow quad. And then we have a blush duo and another eyeshadow quad. I did not need any of this right here, but the cuteness of the donuts sucked me in. I got a couple products from Sephora. I got the Big Glam Duo. This was $15. You got a They're Real mascara. And then I've been wanting to try the Gimme Brow. I have been loving the ColourPop tinted brow gel, and I wanted to try the Gimme Brow just to see how it compared, and then to get both of these products for less than the amount of one retails for, I thought was a really good deal. I haven't used their Real in such a long time. It was one of my favorite mascaras. I also got the Melt Blueprint Stack. This was an item I've been wanting for such a long time. When I first discovered Melt, this is all they had, the stacks and some bullet lipstick. I just never bought them, and I thought the packaging was so cool. There's 2 shades right there. Those shades are just so gorgeous. I figured since I was still thinking about that Melt stack, obviously I really want it, so I got it. And then I got 2 Violet Voss palettes. I got the Best Life palette. I thought this was really gorgeous. I know there's a lot of pressed glitters up there, but it just looked like such a fun palette, and especially since I've gotten into so much color recently in my looks, I felt like this palette was a necessity. It's probably not, but that was my logic. And then I also got the Sugar Crystals palette. I honestly couldn't decide between the 2 palettes, but buying both palettes was like buying the price for one, so I got both because they were both half off. But this is what the palette looks like. It has different shifts to it. It reminded me of Tatsy's palette. I have 2 things from GERARD Cosmetics. I have the Slay bundle, bundle, which I'm super excited for. The Slay bundle, you got to choose a highlighter. Mine unfortunately broke and the component won't even close all the way. I tried putting it back together. This is the shade Bridget. They're sending me out a replacement, but I just wanted to put it together to show you guys. And then you got a brow bar. I've been dying to try their brow product. It's very similar to the brow kit that I got in my BOXYCHARM base box. I feel like these colors are going to work out a little bit better for me. These definitely seem a little bit more neutral and cool undertones, whereas the one I got in BOXYCHARM was definitely warmer. You got to choose 2 mini Slay all day setting sprays. I got cucumber and watermelon. Those are my 2 absolute favorite scents. And then you got to choose 2 Hydra Matte liquid lipsticks. I got the shades Boss Lady and Plum Crazy. This is Plum Crazy and this is Boss Lady. And then you got to choose 2 lip liners. I chose Night Shift and Immortal. I already own Immortal. I use it so much because it's like the perfect red for any red lipstick. And then I realized I didn't have any vampy lip liners, so that's why I chose Night Shift. For that bundle of a full-size highlighter, brow kit, 2 lip liners, 2 Hydra Mattes, and then 2 mini setting sprays cost $45. I knew it was an amazing deal to stock up on some of my favorite products. I've been wanting to try the highlighter and brow bars. I also got a mystery box. This is the 2nd tier mystery box that they offered. This is what the inside looks like. We have a full-size Mystified. I have tried Mystified. I loved it. I have a mini one right now. It reminds me a lot of the Pixie Milky Mist. I like to use it as that pre-layer, especially for the winter, for extra hydration before going in with foundation. We got a highlighter. This is the shade Lucy. Hopefully this one's not broken. And it's shut, so that's a good sign. That is gorgeous. We got a mini setting spray. Oh, it's watermelon. I can never have too much watermelon. Yes. And then I have another lip liner. This is the shade Share. I don't think I have this shade. Oh, that looks like a perfect nude. Yes. And then I got a lip gloss. This is the shade Pouty Princess. That is gorgeous. Oh, I'm gonna love that. I got a Hydra Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Mudslide. No way. That's the shade I'm wearing right now because I got this one right here in my Tribe Beauty box and I love the shade. And then lastly, I got a bullet lipstick and this is the shade Kiss and Tell. This was my holiday, Cyber Monday, Black Friday haul. Definitely went a little bit crazier than I expected to. I did get caught up in some of the deals with some things, but I'm really excited for all the things that I got. I would love to know what you guys got during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or outlet shopping, or any other great deals that you scored on. Did we go for any of the same deals? And I would love to know what's on your list that you're hoping Santa Claus is gonna bring you. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.